In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subscription products in GoHighLevel. If you want to charge customers on a recurring basis, weekly, monthly, or yearly. This walkthrough will take you from a blank account to a ready-to-sell subscription product in just a few minutes. First, start on your GoHighLevel dashboard. From here, open the Payments section, then choose Products. This is where all of your items live and where you'll manage pricing and availability. Next, click the Create Product button. You're starting a fresh product that will become your subscription. Give it a clear, memorable name so customers instantly understand what they're getting. You can also add a short description to clarify access, deliverables, or limits, and upload an image if you want your checkout page to look more polished. When those details look good, click Continue. Quick note before we set pricing. If you haven't signed up yet or need direct access, there's a link to the official GoHighLevel website at the very top of the description. Use that link to log in or create your account so you can follow along. Now set your pricing type. Select recurring or subscription. This tells the system it should bill customers repeatedly rather than just once. Configure your subscription settings. Enter the price, like $29 per month, and choose the billing period, weekly, monthly, or yearly, based on your offer. If you want to let customers try the service before their first charge, add trial days. You can also include a one-time setup fee if onboarding has extra costs. These choices control how often and how much your customers are charged, so double-check the numbers and the period before moving on. Make sure your payment integration is enabled. Subscriptions require a connected payment provider, so confirm Stripe or PayPal is linked to your account. Without this, customers won't be able to complete checkout and recurring billing won't run. Finally, click Save to create the product. Your subscription is now ready to use in funnels, checkout links, or offers. Before promoting it, quickly review the name, price, billing period, and any trial or setup fees to ensure everything matches your plan. That's all it takes to create subscription products in GoHighLevel. If this helped you set up your recurring revenue, give it a quick review and keep building. Thanks for watching.